does natural Holi gulal made from palash flowers vanish perfectly into water while synthetic colors turn into a muddy, scratchy mess? The secret is an invisible superpower called solubility. In Sanskrit, we call it vilayata. Even our ancient Ayurvedic doctors understood this deeply. They created Kashayam by boiling herbs in water because water acts like a magical magnet, pulling out healing nutrients and leaving the rest behind. Now try this yourself. Rub some cooking oil on your hands and wash with plain water. You will notice it instantly, it just slides off. So why does water accept Kashayam but completely ignore oil? To understand this, we need to zoom in into a hidden world. Imagine water molecules are covered in tiny strips of invisible Velcro. When you add sugar or salt, they have matching Velcro. So water surrounds them, sticks to them, and pulls them apart until they become so small that they disappear. But oil or sand? No match. So water ignores them and they float or sink like heavy rocks. This is exactly the principle of solubility. Scientists describe it with a simple rule: like dissolves like. Matching Velcro, they are ghulansheel, soluble. No match, they are aghulansheel or insoluble. And this is not just about drinks or simple experiments. It powers modern technology. Think of an inkjet printer. Its ink must be perfectly dissolved. If not, tiny particles clog the microscopic nozzles and the printer fails. We understand this today thanks to scientists like Svante Arrhenius. In 1884, he showed that substances don't just disappear in water, they break into tiny charged particles called ions, a discovery that later earned him the Nobel Prize. And if you enjoy mixing, experimenting, and understanding how things transform, you could also become a formulation chemist. These scientists design everything from instant coffee to medicines to paints that never separate. So, the next time something dissolves or refuses to, pause, think more, look a little closer. There is science happening right in front of you. I am Dr. Kavita from Urjeevi Spark. Keep questioning, keep exploring. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the lab.